Good morning, students. Let's start with the next topic, that is storage devices. Now, first of all, tell me, what is storage devices? Storage devices enable you to store data and information. With the help of storage devices, we store data and information for the future use. If we do not store information, so we have to do that work again and again and again. So it's better to store the instructions and information and data for our future use. Now let's start with the first storage device, that is the hard disk drive. This is the hard disk drive. It is always inside the CPU. Clear? This is a permanent storage device, that is, it is in the CPU, that is the central processing unit. Clear? Most current hard devices have storage capacities from 500 GB to 800 terabyte and even more. This is the most current hard devices drives that are nowadays using. Clear? Now the hard drive sits inside the computer case and stores your programs and documents. It is a disk pack that consists of many inflexible circular platters. It is a disk pack that consists of many inflexible circular platters that use magnetic particles to store data, instructions and informations. इसके अंदर एक circular आपका platter होता है जिसमें हमारी सारी information store होती है. Now next is optical disc. Optical disc is like your CD. An optical disc is a type of storage media that consists of a flat, round, portable disc made of metal. Portable flat है, round है, and portable means easily you can carry it. Disc made of metal, plastic, lacquer that is written and read by a laser. लिखा भी लेजर के थ्रू जाता है और रीड भी लेजर लाइट के थ्रू किया जाता है. Some optical disc formats are read only. कुछ ऑप्टिकल फॉर्मेट्स होते हैं, आपकी जो सीडीज होती हैं, कुछ होती हैं जिसमें हम सिर्फ रीड कर सकते हैं. एंड सम आर दैट इन विच वी कैन रीड एंड राइट. रीड भी कर सकते हैं. इफ वी वांट टू एडिट समथिंग, यू कैन एडिट इट ऑल्सो. Nearly every personal computer today has some type of optical disk drive installed in its system unit. Now first is compact disk. In optical disk, our first disk is compact disk. This is a compact disk which we call CDs. Normally we called it CDs, but the full form of CD is compact disk. A compact disk is a flat, round, portable metal storage medium that is usually 4.5 inches in diameter. It is 4.5 inches diameter and less than 1/20th of an inch thick. बहुत ज़्यादा पतली होती है. Two basic types of compact disk are CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. There are two types of compact disk. One is CD-ROM and second is DVD-ROM. CD-ROM is compact disk read-only memory and DVD-ROM is digital versatile disk read-only memory. Digital versatile disk read-only memory. Now let's start with CD-ROM, that is compact disk read-only memory is a compact disk that may contain text, graphics, video as well as sound. जिसमें हमारा क्या क्या होता है? Text, graphics और videos और sound. A CD-ROM can hold up to 700 MB of data. उसमें कुछ ही डेटा, ज़्यादा डेटा नहीं आता, सिर्फ 700 MB of data आता है. Instructions and information. CD-ROM drive is used to read data from CD-ROM. CD से हम सिर्फ क्या कर सकते हैं? रीड कर सकते हैं डेटा, राइट नहीं, एडिट नहीं कर सकते. DVD-ROM is known as digital versatile disk read only memory और digital video disk read only memory is very similar to CD-ROM. बिल्कुल सेम है, CD-ROM की तरह ही है कुछ, but can store much more data. इसमें हम ज़्यादा डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं other than the CD-ROM. A DVD can hold from 4 GB to 7.5 GB of data. इसमें हम कितना कर सकते थे? 700 MB. And here 4 GB to 7.5 GB of data. DVD-ROM drive is used to read data from DVD-ROM. We can read data only. Now, recordable CDR and DVD-R. Now, CDR and DVD-R are multi-session compact disc on which you can record your own items such as text, graphics and audio with a CDR and DVD-R. यानी कि compact disc readable, digital versatile disc readable. Right? You can write on one part of the disc at a time and on the other part later. जो आपके sorry, it is not a readable, it is a recordable. Compact disc recordable and digital versatile disk recordable. So you can record in this CDs and DVD, you can record your datas. You can write one part of the disk at a time. एक पार्ट में हम एक साइड का लिख पाएंगे एंड ऑन द अदर पार्ट लेटर, और दूसरे पार्ट में हम बाद में लिख पाएंगे. यू कैन राइट ऑन ईच पार्ट ओनली फॉर वन टाइम एंड यू कैन नॉट इरेज द डिस्क कंटेंट्स, और उसको हम इरेज नहीं कर सकते. नाउ रीराइटेबल, यानी कि कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क रीराइटेबल एंड डिजिटल वर्सटाइल डिस्क रीराइटेबल that allow you to write multiple times. Here you can write, you can edit the data multiple times. This disk act like a hard disk, allowing you to write and rewrite data and informations on it multiple times. Like why it is called a hard disk? Like in hard disk, if our data is stored, if you want to edit it, you can edit it many times as you want. Same, we can do it in CD rewritable and DVD rewritable. Clear? Now next is Blu-ray disc. This is a Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray is a new DVD format which has a higher capacity and better quality. इसकी कैपेसिटी भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है और इसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी होती है. Then standard DVD. A Blu-ray disc ROM has storage capacity of 100 GB. Blu-ray disc BD drives and players are used to play or run Blu-ray disc. इसकी हम सिर्फ Blu-ray disc पे ही रन कर सकते हैं. और Blu-ray disc we need a Blu-ray disc drivers. इसके लिए अलग ड्राइवर्स होते हैं जो हमें इंस्टॉल करने होते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फ्लैश ड्राइव. फ्लैश ड्राइव्स ऑल्सो नोन एज पेन ड्राइव्स. You all are using nowadays, you all are using pen drives, so you know it better. As are the newest forms of computer storage devices that are plugged in a USB, Universal Serial Bus. Behind the CPU there is a USB Universal Serial Bus. There we can plug the flash drive. Pen drive is a portable and lightweight. As you all know, it is portable. We can carry it anywhere because it is lightweight. It has a storage capacity ranging from 500 MB to 100 GB and can transfer data at a high speed. Now next is memory card. You know memory card also. We use memory card in our smart phones also. So a memory card is a removable storage device usually no bigger than 1.5 inches. हमें पता है कि कितनी स्मॉल होती है हमारी memory card. That you insert or remove from a slot in a computer, mobile devices, or mobile devices में भी आता है, computer devices में card reader and writer. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. In next video we'll start with the processing device. Thank you.